Hey everybody, I'm going to try to do some stock lock Sunday here. This package is postmarked March 25th of this year, 2019. I have no clue what's in it other than that it's lock related. I tend to see stuff on eBay, order it, and then things seem to just sit sometimes. So I saw my address also marked on this box as well. So turn it that way. And let's see what's in it, and hopefully there's something to pick for Stock Lock Sunday. Alright, a whole bunch of stuff. A bunch of crap, it looks like, actually. Alright, looking at this here, I have no idea why I ordered any of this. Super old Master Lock 66. Old Yale lock with the code crossed out. Warded lock. Old combination lock. Another warded lock. Sometimes I buy stuff because there's one lock I wanted. So I end up buying all the crap. Another Yale lock that's open. Another warded lock. Illinois Lock Company, Wakeford lock. Another warded lock. And another warded lock. So I'm not sure what lock I wanted out of this this auction. I think sometimes I just like spending money. Yeah. Anyway, I mean, try picking this one. Shackle springy. And not a Y1 keyway. I don't know what keyway it is. One of them. Yeah, let's see. We've got many pins moving around here. Let's try Peterson gem. Well, things do seem to be moving, so that's a good sign. Might be able to actually pick it. It's 40,000. It's a little loose. Let's try 50,000. Seems to fit. Put a little tension on it. See what happens here. And I would love to know what I was thinking when I ordered this. Good news is things do seem to be moving in it anyway. Yeah. Try a little thinner pick here. I, for one, do not enjoy the Yale keyway, and I also don't enjoy bending expensive picks on old crappy locks. Okay, I did feel a little bit of rotation there. in there to pin 1. Okay, I think pin 1 is set. So I may need a shot of Tri-Flow, what it may need. This Illinois lock might be the coolest lock in here. Maybe. Oh, it's open. Look at me go. All right. Successful pick. And I would say this thing hasn't been open in forever. So, okay, cool. I just got my Stock Lock Sunday video anyway, and it's been a while. And I think on the rest of this stuff, I might throw it all back on eBay and see if anybody's as dumb as me. So, talk to everybody later.